In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Amazon affiliate link. So to go and find your affiliate link so you can start earning commission, the first thing we need to do is just head over to a search engine and type in Amazon Associates and press enter. Now click on this top website, which is affiliateprogram.amazon.com, and then you'll just need to go and sign in with your Amazon affiliate account. Now, once you're signed in, click on the navigation bar in the top right-hand side, click on Account, and then select Account Settings. Now select Associate Site Stripe Options, and just make sure that this option down here is turned on and enabled. And once you've done that, you can head over to the official Amazon website. So because I have an Amazon.com affiliates account, this is the website that I'll be using. But if you signed up to Amazon.co.uk or something like that, for example, then you'll need to go and use that specific address. So once you're on the Amazon website, we can then go and search for the product that we want to promote. So let's say, for example, we wanted to go and promote a microphone. So what you would need to do is select the product that you want to start promoting, click on the Get Link button in the top navigation, and then you'll find this short link, which is essentially your Amazon affiliate link. So you can just go and copy that from here. And whenever someone clicks on this link and buys this product, you'll earn a commission from this link. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.